Driving uphill. This is where your car's transmission really gets tested. But which one actually performs best on hills? CVT, manual, or automatic? Let's break it down in real-world driving conditions: power, control, and reliability. First up, the manual transmission. This makes manuals excellent for steep climbs, especially in mountains. Manual cars give you full control over gear selection. You can downshift when needed, keep the engine in its power band, and prevent unnecessary strain. But it requires skill. Poor clutch control can lead to stalling or rollback. Next, the traditional automatic transmission. Modern automatics are smart. They can detect inclines and adjust gears accordingly. But sometimes they hesitate to downshift, especially on very steep hills. Still, for most drivers, automatics offer a great balance of ease and performance.